Man, they got crack outside this joint over here, bro. I see that joint in the corner. I own that one, man. So I'm getting some work done on it. And yo, we gonna walk and talk. Real estate versus stocks, okay? So, real estate versus stocks. You know what I'm saying? What is better? What should you do? Okay. So right now I'm in the hood of Charlotte. Um, Y'all know I be buying back the block and doing that in real life, not just online telling y'all to do it. So, with that being said, man, but let's hop into this real estate versus stocks joint, man. Let's walk and talk. All right. So, which one is better? Which one should you do, right? Now, let me say this, right? Both of them you can make a lot of money. Both of them you can make quick money. Both of them you can make long term money. Now, I am not claiming to be a stock expert in no way, shape, or form. I'm not claiming that I know how to research and properly break down the stock. I'm not saying that. Now, with residential real estate, I'm a lot better at that, okay? And with one thing I love about real estate is its simplicity. And if you need to pull out a calculator for a real estate deal, maybe you shouldn't do that deal, all right? So, with that being said, right, a lot of us, especially my audience, we come from that side of town, whereas one got to be better than the other, right? We come from that place where one has to be better than the other, okay? So we got to put everything against each other, right? What do I mean by that, right? It's always, it can't be like, yo, two people at the top. It's always got to be one, all right? It can't be two bosses. It's always got to be one. You know, a lot of us, you know what I'm saying? Excuse my language, but a lot of us, we think, oh, he or she or that person may think itself, oh, I got to be the only nigga on the scene. So they don't help nobody else. They don't put nobody else on, right? But back to real estate versus stocks, right? Now, check this out. Both of them are great. One of my regrets, right? I'm a 43-year-old man. One of my regrets is not taking them both as being great, right? Not taking them both as being great, okay? So I tell people, my friend, I said, man, just like I was going hard in real estate, you know, with the rentals that I bought, should have bought more. I should have been buying stocks, putting money in stocks, but I didn't understand it. And I thought since I was making money, mine was better than that one, which that wasn't the case. I just didn't know about that one. I didn't have the right information about that one. And I see these conversations online where we gotta put everything against each other. No, bro, we don't have to do that, right? Like with my friend, man, personal friend of mine, Max Maxwell, right? Personal friend, you know, it was he was when he was on his come up, you know what I mean, he was doing his thing, and we all seen that, and he was saying like, yo, bro, I ain't no guru, I'm a duru. And a lot of people thought that there was beef between us because they didn't see us together. And you know, he was saying the duru thing. You know what I mean? I made a hot line, he made a hot song. That's all it was, bro. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, and he's still friends with me today. You know what I mean? But with that being said, we had this conversation like, why do people think that because we black or something, like we just gotta be, we gotta beef, we gotta put, like, you know, sometimes our people be wanting a lot of drama, you know what I mean? And that's entertaining. But it's not necessary, and I'm glad, you know, he became my friend because he helped me a lot, you know what I'm saying? So, and, you know, I hope I helped him in many ways as well. So with that being said, right, don't look at real estate versus stocks as one has to be better than the other. What are you willing to educate yourself on, and what are you willing to learn on? If you got the capacity to do both or the opportunity to do both, do that, bruh. Do that, man. I'm telling you, because you know what I mean. Like I own this on the corner. I own that joint in the corner, right? But you know, I bought that in like 2018, around there for 140. I got it appraised 2 years ago. It was worth like 440. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, real estate, you have a lot of leverage. But I had, let's say I put like 20K into it in the rehab, right, when I bought it. But let's say that I took that 20K and put it in the stock market, my 20K. If I'd have bought the right stocks, not right stocks, you know, just like you could lose money in real estate, you could lose money in stocks. If I can buy the right stocks, that 20K could have been, you know, 200K, 400K, 50, you know, 500K. Y'all know, like, Ryan Leslie put 100,000 in Apple, And the joint, I think the joint worth like 8 figures now. Like, come on, bro. Like, but he had the wherewithal to hold it, and he knew that market, etc. And what? Yes, I get cash flow from that triplex. All right, from that building, I get cash flow. But let me say this: they got stocks that will give you dividends. I got a friend. He was like, "Yo, I'm gonna sell some of my real estate portfolio to invest in the stock market and get the dividends because the cash flow is kind of equivalent with what I'm putting in and what I'm getting out. It's just that in the stock market, I don't have to deal with tenants. I have to deal with toilets. I don't have to deal with any turnover. You know what I mean? So he wasn't saying that one is better. He was just saying, yo, you do both. And all of the sophisticated guys, right? They will tell you, like, I invest in stocks in real estate. I invest in real estate and stocks. Some people just do stocks. Some people just do real estate. It's all a preference thing, but one is not better than the other. So listen, this, my I'm throwing my opinion in. My opinion is, listen, if you could invest in both for a better tomorrow, why not? One doesn't have to be better than the other. You just have to find the one that works for you. Okay? With me, when I first got started, real estate interests me more. But I should have been approaching the stock market with 5-year holds as a buying hold and dumping money in some of these stocks. All right? But it's not too late. What's the next best day to invest? Today. All right? What was the better day to invest? Yesterday. But I can't change anything about yesterday. I can only make a decision based on today. All right? So, what y'all think about this conversation? Comment below. I'm Nasser, aka the real estate guru. I'm not a guru. I'm a guru because I actually do this business. So let me get out of here, bro, because they get busy in this area. Peace.